Mbiamono manchi omurigereri bwegetaseni kya Ndizi TV nabo bwansubu mu Gusii ekerongo igenarithkoria ondigendrete kobari toerero kegima nane no gendrete kwegokya aso kubwatie mirobiri yonsi ritkoria rero ekerorire ne ritkoria Alhamis chitariki 2 cy'umutinyo gatatu omwaka w'ibere na mirongo ebere na isato nechinga kibono mwaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu abereka gutara sorogongo rwa Gusii eriyo gwikera ase chiskuru au nenchiremo yo kurigereria amagendero anena goswa ase skuru kwa borokiwa ba junior secondary chingakingiye kero cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi ngo kwarigania SMS ya Amayia eriyo nkomanya naria na kwariganire asenchera ereyo winge asensemere ya Facebook tonyarwetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News nabayigo mutandao Twitter nabago tweetwetera @Ndizi TV News eriyo togendre gusanga mange eriyo Everlyne Osero tokubwatirana nere Joshua Auta kwene kya wikera asensemo imenyererio kabana into Ikomi eriyo Waziri w'isemi Ezekiel Machogu tkoria lero nigakoretaro yaye ase county ya Kisii awase aikiranase chiskuru au anene kurigereria igoro yo muroberio obwo junior secondary na baigo muroberio obwo goswa kwa borokiwa ba class ya kiandago se form 1 gukwana chinga kiecho Machogu nigata no muroberio inogendrete bya nonya egatia borokiwa tibaraikirana ase chiskuru egentate bire namba chikobwaterana kwene kiabu na chisemi ngosirwa chire.
This is a maritime agency assignment that they must mop up so that any child who has not been able to go to school can be able to do so in the course of this week. Equally, in senior secondary, the transition has been equally good from one because so far we are around 91%, meaning there is 9% who have not been able to report to school. And we are also making an appeal to our chiefs, assistant chiefs in each and every part of the country to cooperate with my officers of education so that in the course of the week also we make sure that all our students or our children are packed to school in Form 1.
Mugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati nigaene kiago chake obene kumuroberi obwo kunyora chibasari ase aborokiwa arene bali bakorwa ase chi amate chitari kwenyara unenchire moyo kwegendereria bya ase amasomabo muroberi oyo ni gokorekana ase geti yechigosori kya Gusii stadium imeye county ya Kisii awase arati aboria abaibori kwene kyabuna abana babongo igerana bare ase chiskuru na manoko bori aborokiwa kobeka omukya ekero bare ase chiskuru Waigona nyora chinga kibene na gochake umuroberi oye bugosira barokiwa oyo menyekanite buna elimu na simba.
Ntoje turukibesa 135 million asaba heshimiwa MCS bachitenende. Bori onero leke nyoro otakugende school agenda apply e basari. Naibo bashimwa MCS. Kimita yete nkoro ya mwebengi make sure bali batari kwenyana banyorire ento keke ebasari na litora konye egesa kugenda maraika ta kuru igoro acheko tokona lazima toba maraika ntutwe kama igonte kitendenge ki abana balmoko ende school usongwanje kwena all of you make sure mwakolomo egento tamanyiti kiboli I've made it possible. Abana bakibakwa in school because tubate data yabo. Ekere school ya siyekiru. Ndotagite tware program. Eye toko likibeza. Abana aba bache maiga abana tubayiriga treasury. Bamayenga kinga kisango ya correct. Bagende nyagitari iga barore kikigende tubange bakogenda tubarigire kumuntu akubabo nakiaba nyagitari basombe tubagaika na turanya ariko
Omerio ya nige kinekyo kegetwe ase kegambere kwa merero bobwibo mochumbe o West Mugrango Steve Mogaka ekikabetege gwikiwano yorenge kuriya ekiroge kyo Rogers Muturi yekire omerio yemagaye kigambero kya Nyamira gotegerera bwikiranu ekinekyo nakuruko na chakwa omerio litkoria rero ase giya tuguterware kubwatkana no gotanyorekana ko bosite boisaine
Rogers oyo stagati mheshimiwa samangana mange nga bribery yarengo nga chikura mheshimiwa nyorete nchibwe kaini chiri chinde birogo binde bya nyorete so ebibionsi ekoti yarigereri yatugutire omweshimiwa wito West Mugirango konye garamete bono sokire
alituguza wapiga kura wa West Mugirango, tukaenda tukapiga kura kwa Stephen Mogaka. Amina. Nataka kuwashukuru wainjilisti na wamama wote wa constituency yangu, na ndio sababu nawaambia tukitoka hiki kikao igotoko tunaanzisha rasmi mpango wetu wa basari, na wale wenye bank accounts wawachilie pesa ya West Mugirango kuanzia leo iende isaidie watoto wetu katika mashule yao.
Abarandi korwase kanisa ya Pentecostal Assembly of God asorogongorwa Gusii nigo bachira mona gutwaririo yerimo asekiria bagikeirie amachiko gati amachika ari agenderete wetwa na watabuna abarandi nigo batachuwanchirana amachika mabe ni gachire magega yeke gambero wetia richiko gose wetia richiko ria LGBTQ asekiria batebuna nigo barachuwanchirwa kwerika ase ebyombe abono niga barandi abo bakarena gotane nenchire yogosaria ama gosaria richiko kolengana nilingana lyo monene muna ligoteba.
Mimi ni mchungaji na sisi wote kikundi cha wachungaji tumekusanyika hapa kutoka kanisa la PHG Kenya, na wakati huu tuko na waso linahusu yale ambayo yalipitishwa katika Supreme Court yetu. Sisi kama kanisa na kulingana na Biblia takatifu ya Mungu ambayo Mungu alitupatia kutumikia kuhubiria wanadamu, hiyo ni kinyume kabisa.
Wenetia semwanya abantu musacha kunywamana ekera tukurigereria mucho Sodom na Gomora ni gusiri wekera lingana buneliria chete nekere serikali amona bali ni chinguru baranjiri ngane likogendera itimina maanisha ense yeito neso asoke ekina nyasa kuyegambia gusige susuro
abarai bali baitonko genda bali na baragwikanisa mbasoma bali ringaneria nyasaye bairanirere ringaneri bagende bali ngorie barore ringaneria nyasaye nari kokwana na machiko yense buna okwana banache buya batokonyere kiarekerbo.
Omurai wese Dr. William Samoei Ruto ni agendrete ko baenekeria ba Kenya egatie chira chiriara chwekerania ase oburai bwaye okona litkoria rero asa magacha KCC me umucho Nairobi aso musangrekano bwo chengira litkoria bangina Ruto nigo akwanire goro yerigoririe gasi na otana nigo rirachiego kya kegima na mono ogo kya we taxi bagwakana ase gas.
Kwa hiyo 70% ambayo tunatumia kuni na makaa, wale wapishi wengi wale wanatusaidia kupika chakula katika taifa letu la Kenya ni 99% women. Kwa hivyo hiyo magonjwa, hiyo matatizo inawafikia kina mama. Na ndio nimesema kuanzia mwezi wa 6 sasa tutapanga mpango ya kuhakikisha kwamba kina mama wanatumia clean energy. Na ndio tumesema kuanzia mwezi wa 6 nitafanya mambo kadhaa. Number 1, nimesema tunaondoa ushuru kwa mambo ya gas. Ile 8%. ile 8% ambayo serikali inachukua kama ushuru kwa mambo ya gas tutaondoa, ndio tupunguze gharama ya gas, wananchi wengi waweze kununua gas. Jambo la pili, leo mnanunua mtungi ya gas shilingi 2,000, shilingi 2,800. Tumesema sasa tutaweka pesa ya serikali kupunguza gharama ya mtungi ya gas. Ile ya kilo 6 mnanunua 2,500, 2,800, tutaishukisha chini mpaka shilingi 500 ama 300.
Okwana somo sangerekano yobo igomo konyu murai bwense Rigathi Gachagua nigamo chiege kegambero ase getambukiro kyo wetiari chiko lia LGBTQ ase keria taona no kogenda mamincha ne chimbwa chaba Kenya nigate babuna serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigetari wanchirana nigetambukiro kyo.
Yale maneno tunasikia pale kotini ati kuna chama ati ya kutetea ati wanaume waoe wanaume, ati wamama waoe wamama. Sasa hiyo ni mambo gani hiyo? Hiyo ni mambo gani? Sasa mimi nauliza, hata wale wanapitisha hiyo maneno na hatuna ubaya na kotini. Sasa mama akioa mama mwingine watabiana nini? Mama mtabiana nini? Hiyo maneno hatutaki. Hiyo ni mambo ya kishetani. Hiyo ni kinyume na vile sisi tunaamini. Na sisi tunasema kiongozi wa nchi hii ni mcha Mungu. He is a man of faith. He'll do what needs to be done. In any case, we have our traditions and customs, and what they are suggesting is repugnant to morality and justice and our way of life. Kwa hivyo hiyo maneno sisi
Omowaziri w'echindemero za Karimwangi nigaenekire buna omuroberi obukugacha amang'ana arengete chindemero ni asenchura yekerero nigo oikeranire oyo bagenderetie ase chinsemo ekero baba gochakera county ya Nairobi na baigo county ya Murang'a nigo baigateru namba chikobwaterana n'ababwatani bonsi ase okobwaterana erio koenekia buna ogoika omwaka bwa 2024 omuroberi oyo no chekoba oikeranire ase chinsemo chonsi meyense ya Kenya.
True, the government has started digitization of the land records, and we started with Nairobi and Murang'a County. We are doing very well currently, and once we are through with those two counties, we are going to roll out in the other major cities, and Mombasa, Kisumu, Nakuru and Eldoret will be the next. So the government is doing something about that, and we hope within the next financial year we'll be through with all the land digitization in the country. Of course, in any new system development, there are issues that come up. We have addressed those issues, and I can tell you all the issues that were brought by LSK, we are addressing them. We are now involving all the stakeholders in the whole process, and we are moving on now very well.
Abarai akorwa se county ya Umabei bakorawa no mugavana we county yo Gladys Wanga nigo babekire amachiko na baige bitambukiro ebibwenerete eryo gukora kisegi cyegenga na baigo gosarwa ku mwana omunyaruka ukwana chingakiye cyo Wanga nigarurege kurege tinde go cyasonde bwensi urachikonyorekana kabwatiranirie na mangana bunayo na batanirwa nigo arachiye ko imukirwa egetambukiro kebwenerete.
We are bringing together a multi-sectoral team to deal with this matter. It's not a matter for parents alone. It's not a matter for the government alone. It's a matter that the security sector must come together with the communities and the government so that we can be able to resolve it together. Because we know that sometimes when we are going to arrest the people, the perpetrators, the communities cover them. We must have a very honest conversation about these issues, and we are very serious about having this conversation. And that is why today, as we convene here for the International Women's Day, we are beginning this conversation. But we will take it to our villages and make sure that any perpetrator that is found is dealt with by the law. And even if you are their father, their mother, you are their shemeji, you will never be able to protect them from the law.
Now, the issue of gender-based violence, you can put it in many sections. There is it is common, but it's going down with elimination of people who prey on young girls, and also with education of these young girls. My take is that girls require quality education, education that can propel them to
Oboroire bwa fistula no boroire bwa roka usibwa basbati obwa rokanire anene kuba omuchando omonene ekenigo keireire ababwatani ababochenu kubatrana ne serikali ye county ya Migori ochakia oborinkori bwabosana boigo bobwenya go cyase abasbati bali abanyorire oboroire go nigo abasbati gwetani chimisano na isato na batano kurwase county ya Migori babeire bakonyora oborinkori obwo asekeria umugava na bwe county yo Dr. Ochila yako aboririe abanke wesokia kwenekia buna nkorengo bare gosenkori ngori obare na konyora obokonyi bwa genkyo
is an affliction that affects many women. And many women who suffer from this affliction do not have the courage to come out and say they suffer from it. They suffer in silence. They suffer in dignity and isolation. Today, we have about 85 beneficiaries whose benefactors are mentioned of that support, and they are undergoing surgery in our hospital just across, and we believe they will be well.
Ask is to the ladies who are still at home, if you know anybody who has this disease, please let them come out. It is not an embarrassing disease anymore. It is something.
Omwanchi omulgereria yabano narna kwariganiretie asemesa Amayia Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yo wenge korendege koragense ya mona wego Chinsa isatoni nchiko kayaretana inda sore asenchira ere yo bwekiranu byamana sogo chora kurigereria Ndizi TV na buo obwansu bo Gusii ekerango kwenyorona na bakondera batonyora asense mere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asense mo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News waigona bogo tweetwetera @Ndizi TV News iri otogendere gusanga na bogo kumanya amanke iri teriane Everlyne Osero twabwatirana nere Joshua Auta kwene kya wikeire asense mwimenyerero nabaigo Abigail Nyanchama uyone kya munachibicha neryogi kya wikeire asenchira yabene twaruburigere borobya nabaigo emagorobere ntoyereru.